So my name is Elizabeth Holt, and I am part-time faculty in the history department.
My name is Cynthia Gannett. I am the director of the core writing program here.
First of all, may I say, I do object to the term adjunct, always have.
Well, I tend to use the term affiliate faculty.
Has a harsh sound. No, you don't have to apologize for it. We can blame the AUP.
Anyone who does not have a permanent position.
That title referred to people who were experts in their field, people who taught one course at a college or university, but spent the bulk of their work life in another job.
I like affiliate faculty when I refer to the people I work with, because I really want to focus on their connection to the institution rather than their temporariness, which I think really separates them and puts them away from the institution.
The best catch-all term we came up with was non-tenured track faculty.
So we're all trying to think of ways that really continue to make visible our respect for them and their real contributions at the institution, rather than by what they aren't.
Actually, Fairfield University pays better than most colleges or universities, and they pride themselves on that, and rightly so.
I think that part-time faculty, I don't know if it's just payment, but they're clearly not compensated in an equivalent way for the work that they do.
Because there are other issues beyond money. There are issues of service, there are issues of assessment, there are issues concerning governance, because as it stands right now, there is no mechanism for part-time faculty to have their voices routinely heard. There are no benefits for full-time faculty, for part-time faculty rather. No, there are no benefits for part-time faculty. No health insurance, no pension, no TICREF. There are just no benefits.
At other institutions, there may well be proportional benefits or full health benefits, full parking privileges. It depends. It's quite variable across the country and across the region.
Rationale behind it initially at Fairfield was that part-time faculty were temporary. They would come, they would teach a couple of classes, they might stay a few years, but they would leave. That's changed, not just at Fairfield, but in higher education in general.
There's no way to provide enough full-time work for them to presumably ask for proportional benefits.
So the system that we have is indebted, frankly, to how things operated 30 or 40 years ago. There are lots of ways in which part-time faculty bring expertise that the university could tap more effectively, more efficiently.
I think part-time faculty should be represented at every level of the university, program, department, interdepartment, and university-wide.
Studies have shown that when part-time faculty voices are heard, the issues raised by their employment are better addressed. I think there are a series of issues that have to be addressed, including possible compensation for service, perhaps a buy-in in terms of health benefits.
We are also looking at establishing guest slots for part-time faculty on the FDEC, the Faculty Development and Evaluation Committee that I serve on.
Representation at the departmental and faculty level. Some recognition of seniority should be a factor. perhaps multi-year contracts.
I think the affiliate faculty task force that's just been set up is looking for any number of ways to increase the serious public voice of part-time faculty.
I think what the university needs to recognize is that part-time faculty are clearly here to stay, and better practices have to be developed in order to respond to the reality of the situation.
Take what's there.